Sa suot niya ikaw ay magdududa, ngunit sa'kin ka ang lakas ng aking tama. Ang ganda-ganda mo, lakas ng tama. Hi Raymond Flores, shall we? Tama. Matrix number 3, Masters 3. Hello, shall we? Lakas ng tama. Hi Fad. Who's that? Ethan, hello. Adrian. Hi Ricky. Shall we, Ricky? Ang ganda-ganda mo. Lakas. Hi Jack. Jack, shall we, Jack? Jason, hello. Wala naman akong kanina. Pero kaya ba yung one. Sorry guys, wait lang. Mas okay na siya. Ay, hindi pala. Mas okay pala yung kanina. Oo. Tay, mas okay na kanina, tay. Mas okay pala yung kanina. Agasta. Oh, mamay. Oh, she will beside ko. Meron beside ko. My stream. Mr. Beasley. You should stand in my mind. Hi, Bantay. Hello, shall we? Hi, Bantay. Sainul. Shall we, Sainul? Hey, babe. Answer me. Hi, man. Shall we? Get a man to cry, baby, baby, oh, when you cry. Ricky, shall we? Edola Gadis. How are you, Edola? Ano to? Edwin? Hi, Edwin. Hello. Raam. Hello, Raam. Hi, Fals. How are you, Fals? I don't know. What are you talking about? How are you? Edwin, how are you? Suna, baby. Hi, Prince Price. Prince Price. Paul, hello, shall we? I am good. Yeah, me too. I am good too. I see your back. Always go and back. Ay, hello, my Gcash ko. Playboard. Hi. Ice, where are you from? Tagasan ka ba, kuya? Kuya, ay, lagi na lang pawala-wala eh, no? Hi, Aditi. Aditi ko says, Kuya, Ice, tagasan ka. Where are you from? Where are you from? You're from where? Somewhere? You are from where? Somewhere? I didn't see anything that sucks. telling you why something should die. Kuya Daniel, how are you? Why ka pa? Good morning, Kuya Daniel. Good morning, Kuya. Uy, bakit? Anong meron? Ba't parang may ano kata, may sumpong kata ngayon? What time you end live? I think 1 a.m. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I'll marry you. I'll marry you. Hello, I'll marry you. I'll marry you. When? When we get married. When we get married. Hi Raymond. Shall we? Why are you asking, Ice? Maybe 1 a.m. I will end my live on 1 a.m. or 1:30. Maybe. Hi E. Di pa talaga ako inaantok, be. Ewan ko. 12:45. Why? Later. Parang ang airpot ko no? Later. It's 12. David, shall we? Maaga pa naman. Di ba maaga pa naman kasi umaga na? Wala na ba? May tao na dun, no? Wala nang kakalabit at may tao na dyan sa harap. I'm not... Oh, plus VE. Hi, Bud. Bud, what? Dior, shall we, Dior? Ano ba? Ba't pa wala ka, be? Ba't para kang ano dyan, kabuti? Hey, beautiful. Oh, thank you. Johnny B. Hi, Johnny B. Johnny B, parang katlog siya ng Johnny B. Johnny B yun. Gusto kong... Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. You're the one that let me sleep. You're my soul, tell my lips. Go alone without you. All the time on you. Hi, Mayma. Hi, shorty boy. Hello. James, say 110. Hello. Good morning, everyone. It's true. Morning time that I can't dream. Anong kanta? Hi, The King Healer. Alexander Shawi. Your love is like the sun. Kung ako ang dahilan ng ating pagkakaliw. Hi, Marlo. Shall we ID number? Hi, Charing. Ng ating pagkakaliw, baby ko. Hi, The King. The King. Parang ang bata mo pa. Hi, Rek. Hi, Mr. from Japan. Baby mo ka dyan. Tulog ka na, be. Lumaki ka pa. Parang ang batang po niya sa avatar mo eh. Be, matulog ka na, be. Ano ka na, lumaki-laki ka pa. Deserve mo lumaki, ha? Hi, James. Shall we, James? James A? James A, 110. Giggle on you, huh? Giggle on you. Giggle. Wait a minute. Hi, Gray. It's only 155. S pen, shall we? You're the one you make me feel true. You're gonna baby and true. Alam mo, makikipag-pili tayo sa ibang bansa. Hi, Calvin. Hello. Howie, Calvin. Hello. Where are you from? Thank you for following me, Calvin. Hello. Yet, we're already friends now. Thank you. Shall we? Morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning, Ariel. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, it's already morning. 12:39 a.m. Good morning to Hi, Trevi. Hello. How are you, Trevi? And where are you from? Hi, Charles. Shall we? Us, US. You're from US. How old are you? 29. Oh, I'm 22. Nice to meet you, Trevi. It's nice to meet you. Alright. Thank you. You're so young. A little 21. 7 years gap. Just a 7 years gap, okay? Not too young. I'm not teenager now. I'm adult. Part of adults. What do you do for living? Trevi, what do you do for living? Hi, Jock. Shall we, Jock?